Well, we made our way to Hard Rock, Tampa after leaving Oxford Downs. We're going to go here, play a little poker, take a walk around, find a poker room. So let's get started. Welcome back, my friends, to the show that never ends. As you make the entranceway into Hard Rock, valet main entrance into the casino. As we make our way into Hard Rock, we're greeted immediately with the Elvis Presley golden piano. What a sight. Main entrance. Little information about the Elvis piano. Elvis on the wall, and also his guitar located here. The golden piano, all the way up to the top of the beautiful chandelier they got here at the main entrance of Hard Rock, Tampa. We're going to take the circular escalator up and away. Great view of the piano as you make our way up the escalator, all the way up to the top. Where we're met with this beautiful chandelier. As we make our way all the way down to be greeted again by the golden piano of Elvis Presley. And we depart using the opposite side circular escalator back to the bottom. Another great view of the Elvis piano here at main stage entrance. And with that note, we're going to head over to the poker room, check it all out. But overall picture is incredibly great. It's actually a chocolate pastry. Go figure. At the pastry shop here at Tampa Hard Rock. The Cellar Wine and Spirits. Great place to purchase wine and spirits. This is the wine cellar. Absolutely gorgeous chandelier with the wine glasses, full array of wine and spirits. All the way down to the giant Moet. Great looking store. And here we are at Lucky Cigars. This is for Junior. They got every type of cigar you want here, Junior. Lighters, clips, variety, and then some. This is the Lucky Cigar at Hard Rock. And they do have the cigars. Junior, you would be in heaven. And we got the Hard Rock Cafe here. Good dining, a little early in the morning, but great views. As we make our way to the poker room. So stay tuned for part 2. It's a long walk to the poker room.